Hi guys, welcome to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can see someone Instagram story without them knowing. So before getting into this video, must subscribe to our YouTube channel and click on the bell icon. So the first step you simply need to do is to open Instagram and you simply need to open a story like you can see that. And here you need not need to watch fully, you simply need to hold the finger and you simply need to watch like this, and then you simply need to close that and it will not register as a view. And the other method, you simply need to turn on the airplane mode. So once you done that, you simply need to go back and open story, and after that you watch, and here you simply need to open, and here you can see that it is not registered as view. And the other method is you can use that, let me show you. Let me turn off the airplane mode. You simply need to open Instagram. You simply need to select any other profile from here, and you need to watch someone Instagram story from other profile. Then that person will be not able to know that you actually watch his or her story. So this is the process. I hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, must like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel for future videos. We'll see you in the next video. Thank you. Have a good day.